Everybody, as you all have written on papers right now, so you have written a lot of information. Okay. Now we are going to find out more specific information. So this time you will fold the page like this. Okay. You can fold this page or a new page. And now here you need to write all these things on this page. Is it clear? So main idea, all important points should be written, but it will be on this page now. Are you ready? So your time starts now. Please start writing. Huh? You can take. I repeat, everybody. I repeat. You already written on this page. Both the give me the both the pages. So you have already written on this page. Okay, of this much size, and you have written information. Now same amount of information should be there, but on this page. Is it clear? Agree. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So but remember, no idea should be missing. It's not like this. You have less space, so you will write 5 ideas. You will write all 10 ideas. You need to find out how can you write in less words. You need to find out how to use keywords. That's your call, but I want all the information on this page. I will read it. Okay, is it clear? Your time starts now. You have 5 minutes for this. Yes, everybody. You should have written more. You need to fill the. Can you give me your page, Anupam? Both the pages. Thank you. So everybody, we started from here. This was one summarization. That's good. Anupam has done a nice job. All the ideas he tried to summarize on this page. That I'll check as well. Now we have third part. Okay. Now this idea that you have, okay, now you're going to summarize in this much page. Is it clear? So main idea should not be missing. Again, I would say all the ideas should be here, but now you're going to summarize on this page. Are you ready? So please, do you want more pages? You can take more page as well, or you can tier. Yes, you can. That's your call. You can use symbols. You can use symbols, drawings, whatever you wish. But all ideas should be included in that small sheet. I'll check as well. कोई बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस दिख नहीं रहा है मुझे बट मैंने चेंज कर दिया इसको ओके और इसमें ऐड भी कर दिया मैंने कुछ ट्री लैंग्वेज ओके ऐड भी कर दिया फास्ट please show it to me. Okay, this is first sheet. This is third one. ICB icebreaker. What is 3L? 3 lessons. Lessons, group bonding ceremony, Google Docs. Yes, yes. I got it. Where have you written about English hobbies? This is extreme. Where have you written about English hobbies? Please tell me. I can't find it. English hobbies के बारे में हमने कहाँ mention किया इसमें? इसमें? English hobbies. Will you remember EHGBC? आपको याद रहेगा EH से English hobbies? Forever. क्या forever? I can't believe it right now. मुझे अभी भरोसा नहीं हो पा रहा है. But okay, English hobbies. And then prepare GBC. Where have you written about GBC? This GBC. LMS. Okay. That we start next lesson. Where is Google Docs? GT. Questions. Where? What about asking questions? Asked questions to found. What is this? Where is it written? Questions and found many fundamental of the. This summarizing and we learned yesterday and many topics of fundamental of this lessons to the. Where is it written in this? इसमें कहाँ लिखा है वो? इसमें? आपको सेम इसका आइडियाज उसको उतारने हैं ना? इसी का आइडिया. I think this will help. You have made it too short. What is this? P dot V dot C dot E. What is this? That's why I don't think it is helpful. I like As a normal humans can't remember it after 1 month. Either you are abnormal or we are dumb. This can be the case. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. No, no, but not repeat. You should be able to repeat without looking at anything. If you read the first page and then you understand, then what's the difference? Without reading first page, you should remember the second page. No? This is what the objective is. Okay, fine. Let us start. I hope you all did it. Is it on? Okay. Keep it, paste it on the wall. Later, not right now. So, what is the objective of this activity? This is called filtering your thoughts. Okay. So first, what happens in the first step, you can say you bring out all the information, whatever you remember. You can say kind of you vomit your information. I would say. Okay, as you get less space, now you identify that okay, whatever I remember out of this is most important. Okay, and then as you move to less space and or as your page becomes short or small, your ideas keeps on filtering, and at the end you get the most important ideas. Even if you observed, some of you made nice mind maps at the end about the same thing that you wrote on the first step. Like I can see Anupam has made it really nice. Anupam, please show your small sheet. Yeah, so see, he has made this. Out of this, he has made this. It's a kind of mind map. He has written his thought process. Okay, I some more of us have made amazing mind maps like this. Who else has done? I appreciate it. I think you have also done. Please show it to us. Thank you. So she has also done the same. See, they have prepared a mind map unknowingly. See, from here to here. Although some keywords could be added, but still this is an activity that helps you to filter your information, find out the most important information about whatever you have written, and at the end you naturally create better mind maps. Okay, now after doing this, if I tell you now create mind map, this time you will create the best mind map because you also know what keywords to be added. Only some less keywords are there in these cases. Otherwise Anupam and Jasmine have made brilliant sheets. Okay, is it clear? So this is the activity, and now you got to know the objective: filtering information and understanding what you remember. Got it? So did you like this? Yes. So you can also practice this with your students and in your trainings also. Maybe in the next training, if you come, you can tell your trainer I have an activity. Yes. It will be offline now. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. Most of the trainings are going offline now. I don't know. Like some trainings can be online. Maybe some mentorship training.